Hello students, welcome back to the online English class, and this is our first class after holidays of Diwali. In this video, we are going to understand the poem Silver by Walter de la Mare. First of all, we will come on the page 59 of our textbook. In this page, one activity is given to you. This activity you have to do in the textbook itself. So here what you have to do, here categories given and names are given. In names column you have to fill up. One example is given here, two examples are given here: metals, steel, copper, silver, gold. These are metals. Like that, flowers you have to write here, then stars or galaxies, their names you have to write here. Collect from internet and write their names here, and this all you have to do in the textbook itself with the pencil. Then seasons also you have to write here. After this, you complete this poem, and the last rhyming words, these rhyming words should be meaningful. This poem you read and write the what should be the last word. Soon after dawn rises the sun. Soon after dawn rises the sun. So this word should come here. Like that, it wakes and enlivens every one. Every one. So this way, these lines of poem should rhyme with each other. Also, a meaningful word, suitable word should fit there. This activity you have to do in the textbook only with the pencil. Now you come on page number 60. Here our poem is given silver. So here what is silver? You can see the moon and its color is silver. It looks silver, and in the night, wherever darkness is there, at that place this moonlight falls, and that light makes the darkness silver. The things, the trees or the animals which are present in that moonlight, they look like silver. So the poem is about that. Poet is observing these things. He is standing at a place. He is observing how the things are looking in the moonlight, and how is the moonlight. So let us read the poem and understand it word by word, line by line. Slowly, silently, now the moon. Slowly, silently, now the moon walks the night in her silver shoon. Here, her means feminine gender. Poet is considering to the moon. Feminine gender means her means moon is a girl. Like that, the poet is considering. What poet is telling here? Slowly, silently, now the moon. Now means at that time, the moon was walking, and throughout the night. Walks the night means throughout the night, means from night up to morning. Moon will walk in her silver shoon. Shoon, shoon. Shoon means what? Shoes. That word meaning is given here itself. That moon is having silver shoes. Poet is telling because that moonlight moves on the earth, and that moonlight moves, and it looks like these are the shoes or legs of the moon, and that is of silver color. Next line, this way and that she peers and sees silver fruit upon silver trees. This way and that means from this side or from that side. She peers and sees. Peers means what? Peers means a type of looking. You look something carefully. Means peer. To observe something. That is peer. She peers and sees. Sees means to look something. Silver fruit upon silver trees. So at that time, the fruit which is present upon a tree looks silver. The tree also looks silver and the fruit also looks silver. Now, one by one, the casements catch her beams beneath the silvery thatch. One by one, the casements catch. Casements means what? Casements is a part of window we can see in the image. This this door of window you can call it, or it can be in a different way also. Up and down opening door is also called as casement. So these are the casements of windows. They are also catching. What catching? The beam of beam. Beam means what? The light of that moon. Her beams beneath the silvery thatch. Thatch, Thatch. This thatch is a type of hut house. This you can see in the image. This is a thatch. This is a type of thatch. This dried grass is placed over the roof of this thatch, and this is how the thatch is built. So this type of thatch, and below that thatch these windows are there. Casements of windows are looking silvery due to the beam or the moonlight. Couched in his kennel like a log. Now you see, couched in his kennel. Kennel means what? Kennel, this house of dogs, small house of dogs is called as a kennel. So in the kennel, a dog is there here, and the dog is couched. Couched means what? Couch means our sofa set. And how we lie down on, how we sleep on our sofa set. So in that position, this dog is sleeping in the kennel in his house like a log. Log means what? Log means a piece of wood, this type of log. How this log is lying here, how it is there. It is actually no control is there over its body. It doesn't have any control over its body. It is not in any good disciplinary manner. It is randomly falling down. That is randomly placed. So this way the dog was resting, taking rest in the kennel. With paws of silver sleeps the dog. Paws. Now you see these are the this portion of the leg of dog is called as paw. So these paws in Hindi you call it panja. In Hindi or Marathi you call it panja. So this paw or panja of the dog is also looking silver in the silver in the moonlight, silver light. Now you can see up to this. You can see what is the rhyme scheme of this these many stanzas and poem. Moon, shoon, sea trees, catch that means A B, sorry, A B B C C D D and so on. This is how our uh, rhyme scheme is moving. Now come to the next couple of line. From their shadowy coat, the white breasts peep of doves in silver feathered sleep. From their shadowy coat, shadow means you know what is a shadow, and here coat means the house of doves. House of doves. These black ones are called as pigeons, white ones are called as doves. So these type of house, small house of these birds is called as coat, COT, coat. So here the birds are sleeping and their breast means this chest of the bird, this bird is called as the breast, that is coming out. Peeping out means what? Looking up, looking outside. Of doves in silver feathered sleep, their feathers are looking silvery. So these birds are sleeping here. These doves are sleeping here. Only white type of pigeons, white type of doves are sleeping here. White, why? Because doves are white. A harvest mouse goes scampering by. A harvest mouse means what? Mouse, you know. But harvest mouse is a mouse which eats that cut crop. Farmers cut the crop in a season of cutting, so that cut crop is collected and placed at a place in a room, and this harvest mouse goes there to eat that. We can see the image of that type of mouse. So this type of crop this mouse eats, so that is called as the harvest mouse. So this harvest mouse eats that, and at that time what happens, that grain was there, that crop was there, and this mouse was eating and scampering by means running here and there quickly. It is running here and there quickly, that mouse. And with silver claws, claw means what? The paw which having nails, paw of the mouse which has nails. So that is claw. With silver claws and silver eye. So here what is looking silver of mouse? His claws also, and eyes of the mouse are also looking silvery. Now, and moveless fish in the water gleam. Moveless fish. Here they are telling moveless fish means the fish always moves, but when the fish is still, when the fish is standing in the water at one place, that time the fish catches the moonlight, and then it moves. So again the fish comes, again it catches the moonlight. So due to this process, it is gleaming, it is shining. The light is coming and going, coming and going. The reflection we can see, the reflection comes and goes. So that type of fish, that type of gleam is visible in the water. Means a lake is also there, a lake or stream or river is also there. By silver reeds in a silver stream, a stream is there of water. So here reeds is a type of grass which grows in water. So that is also looking silvery. The stream of water, stream means the flowing water, is also looking silvery. So this is how our poem was. It is a very easy, interesting poem. It creates imagery in front of our eyes. So here appreciation of this poem will be given to you afterwards. Whichever difficult words are explained here, those you write in the textbook itself with the pencil where the space is given, there you write it. And if you have any doubt, you can ask anytime. Take care. Thank you so much.